I don't understand leadership from theories only. I don't understand leadership only from a perspective of theorizing about it. I understand leadership from a perspective of being bothered by a state of our people, a state of my community, a state of my family, and my physical, myself, emotional, and mental state. Because these states bother me so much that I want to change something so that we are in a better position. I generally don't expect anyone to come and give me fish. I appreciate when people help me to actually achieve what I need to achieve. There's a case, excuse me, where my cousin brother in Johannesburg, and I didn't think about this until they came to me and told me about it months and probably a year later. My cousin was quite intoxicated. Ebenuka umphanda. And he was not in a position to clean himself. And his feet, bezinenqinqi, andiyazi ngesingesi inqinqi ndo. So it's when you have had a wet day and then your feet are not clean. They have these lines of dirt, black dirt, and we were supposed to sleep together on the floor because there was a lot of us. And he would have slept the other side, and I would have actually been inhaling and assimilating this toxicity. There was no COVID then, but I'm sure I would have suffered some kind of sickness. And I asked him to sit on a chair. He complied, half conscious, and I actually went to wash his feet. I was in grade 10. It had not been an issue to me, but the condition that I would have subjected myself had I not asked my cousin, brother, who's probably 10 years older than me, to sit on that chair, and I actually warmed water and washed his feet. This was not in relation to a biblical story. It was a condition that I thought would not make me happy. And I realized that when I looked around, my cousins would not actually wash his feet because they wouldn't sleep at his feet. I cleaned him, it transformed his life. And this, they still talk about it when the stories come. Now I realize that I am one that comes into a space and that organizes the environment to a manner and an arrangement that fits me. I might not touch you, but I will organize my environment to a way that I think it best serves me.